Imagine it. A cold, dead world. Its rust-colored plains stretching into endless shadow, the thin wind hissing through abandoned cities that were never meant to be. Mars was supposed to be our future, our second chance. But something happened there. Something we were never meant to know. The first transmissions were fragmented. Bursts of static, distorted voices screaming in languages that didn't sound entirely human. The official reports called it a reactor meltdown, a tragic accident. But the truth? The truth was written in the radiation scars that still pulse beneath the dust, in the way the shadows move when no one is watching. They called it Ares Station, a sprawling complex buried beneath the red soil, a labyrinth of steel and silence, where the brightest minds of Earth worked in secret. The mission was simple: terraform, colonize, conquer. But the deeper they dug, the more the planet whispered back. Some of the scientists claimed to hear it, a low, rhythmic thrumming beneath their feet, like a heartbeat that wasn't theirs. Others swore they saw figures in the dust storms, tall and thin, their outlines warping in the wind. Then came the war. Not the war we knew, not nations clashing over borders, not ideologies colliding, but something older, something buried. The first bomb detonated at the heart of Ares Station, but the security feeds showed no enemy, no invader, just a man. Dr. Elias Voss, standing in the reactor chamber, his lips moving in a language that made the air vibrate, his eyes black as the void between stars, and then light. A light that didn't just burn, but unmade. The fallout was unnatural. The radiation it spread, twisting the metal, warping the bodies left behind. Survivors, if you could call them that, reported visions. Cities that weren't theirs, skies choked with black smoke, and a voice on the wind repeating a single phrase, "You woke them." By the time Earth's governments reacted, it was too late. The bombs fell like a ghastly rainfall, each one igniting the thin atmosphere in bursts of unnatural, blue fire. They said it was containment, that Mars had to be sterilized, but the ones who gave the order, they never looked quite the same afterward. Their eyes were too wide, their smiles too sharp. And now, decades later, the probes we send, they don't come back, not intact. The last transmission from the Odyssey 7 showed the camera shaking, the lens cracking as something scraped against the hull from the outside, and in the final frame, just before the signal died, a single word etched into the frost-covered glass: coming. So tell me, if Mars was dead long before we ever reached it, what exactly did we awaken? And why does the night sky look just a little bit redder now?